Hey guys, today let's learn how to basically fix AI portrait filter not showing on TikTok. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and use the AI portrait filter on the TikTok application, what could you do and what are the necessary steps for you to use this? So I'm going to go ahead and tap on my effects over here. And basically, I'm going to search for the AI portrait or AI art. So as you see, the AI portrait should be located right there, ready for me to use and put my face on. But in the case that you cannot see this option, what are the ways or what are the things that you could do to fix this issue? Well, one of the biggest fixes that you could do is, first of all, I would like you guys to go ahead and search for TikTok on your app stores and see if there will be an update available for you guys to use. Basically, this update will fix all of those bugs like that and also give you additional features in the case that you are not seeing your AI portrait filter. And of course, one more thing that we should do is to double check if we are connected onto our internet or Wi-Fi stably, and also if we are also connected with our cellular data. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and do that, just do those things that I just said and you should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.